super kid. You're welcome to Letter Work class with Mrs. Ngozi. And today we will be starting with making the phonic sound of letter A. Making the phonic sound of letter A. So right now, I would like you to sit down like a champion that you are and look closely to your screen. Can you see this letter here? Can you see the letter on your screen? Very good. This is letter A. This letter is letter A. And I told you we will be making the phonic sound of letter A. So this is the letter A. What letter is this? Letter A. Very good. And also we are going to be looking at its corresponding objects. We are also going to be looking at its corresponding objects. Letter A as in apple. Letter A as in apple. Letter A as in apple. Okay, that is very good. We are also going to be looking at letter A as in ant. We are also going to be looking at letter A as in ant. Very correct. Also, we are going to be looking at letter A as in axe. Letter A as in axe. Very good. So, hope you can now identify letter A. So, looking at your screen right now, can you tell me the letter you are seeing? Is letter A. Very good. The letter on your screen right now is letter A. So looking at your screen right now, the letter you are seeing there is letter A. Looking at the screen, the letter you are seeing there is letter A. Very good. And I also hope you can identify its corresponding objects too. Very good. A as in apple. A as in ant. Letter A as in axe. Very correct. So that brings us to the end of today's class. So please do not forget to attend to your quiz and assignment. Till we meet again in our next class, stay loved and bye.